When scientists are looking at space, they use light years to measure how far away objects are from each other. This is because of how big space really is. Now, for those of you who don't know what a light year is how far light goes in 1 year. Now, as shown with the words at the top, a light year is 9,500,000,000,000 kilometers, and the distance between star AD is 4 light years away from planet V. To find how far away they are, you just have to multiply the number above with 4. But let's be real here. I'm not writing all those zeros down. Luckily, we have a way to show this without typing all these zeros that is used by scientists everywhere. It's called scientific notation. Scientific notation is when you turn a normal number into a number that is a number greater than 1 but less than 10 that multiplies with 10 to the power of something. I know that didn't quite make sense, but it will soon. Let me show you how to put a light year in scientific notation. First, we'd have to put a decimal point, uh, making 9,500,000,000 just a small number. So we'd find the decimal point. Since this is a whole number, the decimal point will be at the end, and we'd move it over all these times, and it would eventually get in between 9 and 5, and that's where we'd stop because that is above 1 and less than 10. And so the first number we'd have would be 9.5. And I also said that it needs to be multiplied with 10 to the power of something. So that something is going to be how many times the decimal place was moved. So we have 3 times, 6 times, 9 times, and 12 times. So that gives us 12. So 9.5 times 10 to the power of 12. Now that we've done that, we can just do 9.5 times 4, which gets us 38 times 10 to the power of 12. Okay. So that's good, but it's not. We need to do one more thing before it's a complete answer. See, we need to move the decimal place over again because it's not below 10 anymore. It's 38. So we make it 3.8. That's above 1 and under 10 times 10 to the power of 13. This would be added because it moved the decimal point over once again. Okay, so that's how scientific notation works. Now I want you to try. So here we have star I being 6 light years away from star K. Now we have what a light year is, and now that we've taught you how to do scientific notation, you can go back if you're still confused. I want you to try finding the distance of 6 light years in scientific notation. Okay. Give us your answer. Submit your answers through WhatsApp, through a video or audio message, uh, and also explain it, please. Once you do, you will get 2 star cards or $2, depending on if you send us your PayPal.